If you think your boyfriend might be cheating, look for changes in his behavior that could be red flags. For instance, you might notice him acting more distant, arguing with you more, or becoming less interested in intimacy. Watch out for unexplained changes in his habits too. For example, he might begin staying out later in the evenings or spending more time online. It can also be a warning sign if he suddenly begins dressing or grooming himself differently. Pay attention to any signs of secretive or sneaky behavior. Does he quickly close his computer or hide his phone when you walk into the room? If so, it's possible that he's up to something. Keep in mind that none of these behaviors necessarily mean that he's cheating. You might have to look for more definite evidence, like flirty texts on his phone or love notes and gifts from the person he's cheating with.